Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restore your old account in Duo Mobile using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for Duo Mobile and download the app. It's not already installed. Once installed, open Duo Mobile on your phone. On the welcome screen, tap on Continue. Now tap Use a QR code. Now Duo will ask how you want to add or restore your account. If you still have access to your old iPhone, choose Transfer Account from another device. Now open Duo Mobile on your old phone. Once you are in, tap on three lines at the top left corner of your screen and tap on Settings. After that, tap on Connect a new phone. A QR code will appear on your phone. Go back to your new iPhone and use it to scan the QR code. This securely restore your old Duo account to your new phone. Wait a few seconds and your account will appear in the app. And that's it. That's how to restore your old Duo mobile account on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.